Fugitive Prajwal Revanna is finally back in India after 35 days in hiding. The suspended JDS leader was arrested by the Special Investigation Team at the Bengaluru airport as soon as he landed in the middle of the night. Now, he has been grilled by the CID overnight. Police will also scrutinize who aided him in staying abroad and where he was residing in Munich. Later in the day, he will be produced in the court and will also undergo a medical test at the Bowring Hospital in Bengaluru. The Special Investigation Team will seek his custody during his production in court, and Revanna's phone, passport and other belongings will be seized by the police as well. His family and the Lok Sabha Speaker will also be formally informed about his arrest, since he is currently the sitting MP from Hassan in Karnataka. Now, remember, on the 27th of April, which was 6 days after the allegations in the obscene video case had surfaced, and a day after voting in Hassan, Revanna had boarded a flight to Munich on the back of his diplomatic passport. Now, according to the MEA, the process of cancelling his passport is also underway. The developments come as a blue corner notice was also issued against the absconding leader on the 7th of May. And on May 18th, an arrest warrant was also issued, under which now he has been nabbed just as he returned to India.
ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ SIT ಇಂದ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್, ಯಾವ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಹೊಳೆನರಸೀಪುರ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
SIT ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ವಾಯ್ಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
See, bail application which is now been pending before the court. Probably you have to wait and see what it will happen in the court. I would not like. That's what I would not like to talk about what will be the fate of the petitions before the court. Probably you should come and see what happens in the court. Yes. Whatever the infractiousness or otherwise, certainly we will consult. We will make a submission before the court.
You met him. What has he conveyed as of now, sir?
See, he has said that, sir, I have come forward. In fact, my whole purpose of coming to Bangalore or before SIT is that I have to stand by my words. I have come forward. I will give the fullest cooperation. These are his words. Probably he told me in Kannada and I am appealing in English. That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So that was a statement made by the legal team of Prajwal Revanna, who had returned last night and was arrested upon arrival from Munich. Now, essentially, what the legal team had to say there was that Prajwal Revanna has made a claim saying that he will cooperate with the probe. Now, remember, in his bail application as well, which he had filed previously, Prajwal Revanna has claimed that he is innocent in connection with the entire case. But remember, the Hassan MP, Prajwal Revanna, continues to claim that he is innocent. He had returned from Munich last night. He had landed at the airport at around 12:40-ish a.m. and was arrested by the Special Investigation Team that continues to probe the entire case. Now, what's going to be taking place next is, all right.
Or he was held at immigration center and he has been handed over, which is right as per the procedures. Probably rest, as I said, the reason as he has come forward is to cooperate to the investigation. That is what he's been doing, and that is what he told me, sir. I am here. I am ready to give the cooperation. And another thing, what he additionally requested, especially media, is that kindly don't do any media trial. That is his request to the media, and he says that let there be no conviction even before there being a proper hearing from my end also. So I request and I appeal all the medias, especially English as well as Kannada channels. You have your work to do, but let it not infringe any of his legal rights. That's all I can appeal.
So arrest being shown by the SIT pertaining to which case?
Today, what I was informed is he's arrested in Holenarsipura case. That is the first case he's been.
Now all the happens to the bail will stand cancelled now because he's been arrested.
That you please see how it happens in the court. So as of now, nothing. So nothing.
As of now, in one case only he has been arrested.
So let us see, because ultimately now he's been detained or arrest procedure has happened by the police. So the immediate next procedure is that within 24 hours he is supposed to be produced before the magistrate. So let us also understand what is the intention of the investigating agency. Neither I questioned, neither they told me. So that is ultimately our work and their duty and my duty is before the court.
As of now, he is arrested in one case only.
ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಮ್ಯೂನಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರನ್ನು SIT ಅವರು ಮೊದಲೇ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರನ್ನು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಊರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.